I am here to talk about flag banner. So when you drive down the street, when you look around, you see these flag banners flopping around in the wind. What they are essentially is sort of a fabric with holes in it, and the holes prevent the flag from becoming a sail. If you put fabric out in the wind, you've made a sail. It's going to blow away. It's going to tear. So what they do is they make flag banner. Now, you can print on a flag banner with a latex printer. That's not a problem. We've run an awful lot of it. Many manufacturers make flag banner. The thing with latex on flag banner to be understood is this. With most flag banners that you see outside, what you're looking at usually is a dye sublimation process. And what they do is they print on one panel, the surface of the panel, and a significant amount of the ink will transfer to the back panel. So when you see it out there, it's only printed on one side, but the back side also shows the image. It has a high transfer. So let's say that transfer is 70%. The front side's 100, the back side's 70 using a sublimation method. Now, with latex, what happens is you can print on the flag banner, and you can make a teardrop or make a flag banner outside. These are all flag banners. This is a Fisher flag banner, and then these are a couple of Top Value Fabrics flag banners. The drawback is, on latex, you don't get that much on the back side. So with latex, the flag banner is going to have a much smaller percentage, and so if it's out there in the wind, instead of seeing 70%, you might see 25%. Now for many people, for this application, that's not going to be entirely acceptable. They're going to want to have more transfer. Now some flag banners are a little better than others, but you can see this Fisher is a little light on the back, and probably the best one of the bunch is this thinner Top Value Fabric 3.2 Superb. This might actually pass muster. So you might want to experiment around with some different flag banners, but just be aware that this expectation that people have in the industry could be a problem for some people's flag banners that they print with latex. Now, I also know people that build flag systems with the latex printers, and what they'll do, say take your average teardrop. They'll make a heart, and then they fold it over, and then they put a liner in between it, a very light liner, so you have a little bit more opacity between the two sides, and then you can print a ply, or in this case would be a 3-ply flag banner. The virtue of latex on outdoor is that with pigment-based inks, the inks are very resistant to fading. Dye-based inks are going to fade in the sun a lot quicker. So there are some advantages outside on flag, but for your standard, generally fabricated single-ply application, latex may not meet all of the customer's expectations. If you understand that going into it, you might find a flag that gets 50% to the backside, and that may be acceptable. The customer, depending on the application or how they install it or what they're doing with it, may find that just enough on the front side is sufficient, or they may go with a 3-ply system that you can experiment with. Wanted to give you sort of a heads up on how flag banner works, what most industry expectations are, and where latex falls into that set of expectations.